What's good, y'all? Took the Hellcat out today. We're gonna do a drive, show y'all, let y'all listen to that mid-muffler delete on this thing. We're about to have some fun. I got the sunroof open so y'all can get a better sound. So let's go ahead and do this. Oh boy. I think I'm probably gonna get on the highway, but we're gonna have some fun today, for sure. So let's go. All right. I do have it in sport mode right now. 707 horsepower. You already know what it is. Yes, sir. I know you hear that. I know you hear that. Crazy, man. If you got a Hellcat, if you got a Scat Pack, whatever you got, man, you need to go ahead and do that mid-muffler. If you on the fence about it, man, go ahead and do that. It's a nice day. See if I damn, it's a nice day. Ooh, I need to get off on that exit. But nah, this mid-muffler delete is a truth. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Go get that shit ASAP. Track. It's in track mode now. Then I'm gonna use the paddle shifters. Yes, sir. Wait till you hear that downshift though. Oh! Yes, sir. No, you hear that supercharger up in that thing, boy. Yes, sir. Baby, definitely gonna be coming out with some more videos. Man, we're gonna be doing it up. We're gonna have a good time. I'm actually thinking about, I love the mid-muffler delete. That shit is the truth, but for real, I'm thinking about getting that, it's another exhaust. A lot of guys are getting done to their Hellcat and Scat Packs, their Daytona 392s and all that stuff. And it's called the Corsa Extreme. Bruh, crazy. That thing sounds so damn crazy. I heard that and I'm like, yo, I got to get that. Now, on like, when it's just like at idle, it sounds similar to the mid-muffler delete, but when you open that boy up, I swear to, bruh, that thing is crazy. So I'm thinking about going ahead and doing that. And definitely if and when I get that done, you know the boy gonna have to have another video for that. Man, these people drive crazy. Ooh, we got a Porsche Panamera over there, that thing, boy. I don't know if y'all seen that, but yeah. I need to get me a radar to go on the window there. Let a brother know. Hey, calm down on that gas, cuz. Calm down on that gas. Ooh, that sounds so crazy. Yo, with this mid-muffler delete, with a Hellcat in general, man, when you drive down the street, all eyes are gonna be on you. Especially, man, like you said, that thing in red, boy, definitely draw attention on your ass, for real. But when you get that mid-muffler delete, boy, people be breaking their damn neck. I'm talking about for real. But yeah, man, it's a little something. And then when you in track mode, that thing open up so these cars have the Daytona 392, all your Scat Packs, the RT, and of course the Hellcat. They have the active exhaust valve, so that valve is going to be open at certain points or whatever, depending on what mode you have it in, and it's going to be I think in auto it's not open all the way. Well, I know it's not open all the way. When you put it in sport, it opens up a little more so you can hear that sound. And then when you put it in track, it opens up all the way, bro. So it definitely sounds louder and all that. But yeah, man, whew. You're gonna have some track days, cause this shit is definitely for the track. Definitely gonna have some track days, and we're gonna do it up. I gotta get some drag radios on this thing, man. So I'm pricing them out, looking at those, and hopefully I can get them pretty soon when the weather permits. Because right now, it's still, like I said, it's in the 40s. It's supposed to warm up gradually day by day, but I'll probably be taking this during like the actual summertime. Stuff like that. I want to see stock, what numbers I'm getting and stuff like that. Videos that I've been seeing on YouTube with these Hellcats stock, they've been getting like low 11s, some high 10s and stuff like that, depending on the tires and all that type of shit that they got on there. And so I definitely want to get a dyno run, like for real. The only thing I have done to this is the mid-muffler delete, and then a JLT cold air intake, and that's it. I want to like see exactly, bro, trying to get hit on the road for real. I want to see exactly what numbers I'm getting, and go from there and upgrade. Oh, we got a bridge. We got a bridge. Downshift time. Yes, sir. Sorry about that, but it's illegal to go under the bridge and not hear your shit. So you gotta make sure hey, people gotta hear you. You gotta hear your shit. But anyways, man. But yeah, I want to get those numbers stock and work from there. I'm thinking about doing some pulley work. I know some guys was doing the 285 pulley, and then they have the 275 pulley. I gotta do some more research about that and go from there as well. But this thing is definitely it's not about to be just completely stock. Definitely gonna be getting some stuff done to this thing, man, for real. But yeah, other than that, stay tuned for some more POV drives and all that good stuff. And if you like this video, do me a favor and subscribe, hit that like button, comment, share, all that good stuff. Peace. I'll see you guys on the next video, man.